Hey guys, so I'm showing you how to do my edges for my special occasion edges. Special occasion edges, taking pictures, making videos, things like that, where you just need them slayed for like 1 or 2 days. I use the She Is Bomb Goo. My everyday edge control is the She Is Bomb Edge Control I'm gonna use today. And I have my little edge control brush that has my business name on there, Fybencia. I'll be doing a giveaway and I'll have instructions down below on how you can win this, as well as some She Is Bomb edge controls. If you have locks, you do not want to get this too much into your locks because it will be kind of risky for buildup or flaking, as this tends to do after a couple of days. So I try to make sure to put it just on the edges, and that way I can just shampoo it out when I get in the shower without having to wash my whole head. I'll get in the shower. When I wash my face, I'll go ahead and just shampoo my edges. So let's see, what do I want to do? This is kind of hard to do in the camera as opposed to the mirror, so I'm going to look past you guys into my mirror and try to get the swirlies just set. Wow. Goo and my Fybencia edge brush, and I'm done.